What's up, guys? Be sure and like and subscribe. Pretty stoked because I went out today, scored this XR, not bad. XR200, what's it, 02? So we're gonna go through it a little bit, give it a tune-up. It's been sitting. The plug was actually out of it, and when I went to pick it up, I kicked it over and it shot a bunch of water right up my nose and my fucking beard, all over my shirt. And I just told him, sorry guys, I'm not gonna be able to buy it for what we discussed because the plug ain't in it and the engine's full of water. Got an even better deal on it. Got her home. I took the mullet, I got some of this mullet mystery oil, filled up the top end, dumped her over a few times. You guys be sure and like and subscribe. This thing's gonna have to get cleaned up. It's obviously been sitting outside for a while. Whatever. They had the plug out and she had some water in her, so I'm juicing her with some miracle oil. Lubed up the top end real good. I'm gonna clean the carburetor. I popped this fuel line off. All right, nothing's coming out of that. There's definitely some in there. Oh, I can't even blow through that sumbitch. I'm gonna have to clean that too. And I have to pull that off and clean it or replace it, I guess. So I've hit it once with the pressure washer. Try and get the rest of these graphics off so we can make some new ones. This thing will get a good old scrubbing and one more washing before we're all said and done, but it's a lot better color now. I mean, look at her. She's pretty shiny. Get some of this surface rust off. XR200 right here. So the cool thing about them, they're mostly all the same. Two of the problems I'm already noticing on this one is the petcock's clogged up, and probably the carburetor is. If I really wanted to be a lazy ass, I would just clean the petcock, get it flowing, and then try it. But I assume the tank's got some shit in it. The spark plug wasn't in it, and the whole top end was full of water. That carb's gonna be easy to get to. Petcock, same thing. You might have to take this back bolt out to get the petcock out and tilt the tank up, but we'll see. What I've used to attempt to remove the carb. So take the 10, loosen this nut. I just crack it loose and spin it off like that. Same thing with the one on the other side. Super easy to remove. So you just thumb it, give her a little reach around. You know you could do that to a lady too, guys. So you get those. I undid this with the Phillips. So hopefully, I don't have my tripod, guys. I'm gonna pull this real quick and then I'll show you the rest. So we got this carb off. Let's see what kind of goodness it has in it. You can hear the float's not moving though. Float's hung up for sure. We're gonna pull the petcock too. 8mm, two 8mm right there. She comes right off, so I'll show you how I do it. 8. This booger here, see? Put that one there. Now if you're smart, we all seen that this had gas in it earlier. Ah, you bitch! Ah! Yeah, give me that good stuff. Cool, guys, right? I hope y'all learn better. I hope y'all learn better, because you can't be doing that in here every time. Parts do get so bad that they're no good, and we're gonna see. So I've tried blowing through this with compressed air, and it is not getting fuel into the inlet. I'm throwing this sucker in the carb and the ultrasonic cleaner. Also, same thing with this. It's so nasty on the inside. So we're gonna see if we can get her working. Put these jets and the float pin all in there and go drop her in. So now I got the stuff in there. I'm gonna let her rip. I got her out, boys. Check it. I got the clog out. I can blow stuff through it now, but look at this. Man. Starting to clear out. That worked. So that saved me a little bit on the petcock, hopefully. Get something out of here. Not shit, boys. I think we're gonna get the petcock working. But I don't know about this carb, guys. Last cycle, guys. We're gonna try and send it. I got it to free up, but we'll see. I already ordered the parts, so if these ones don't work, Saturday I'll be in business, but I'm gonna go ahead and try and ride that XR. This right here is why you always check the air box when you buy a bike. You see, the carburetor sure is hungry, and it wouldn't mind eating that. Come on. I got lucky and I had a Moose filter laying around, so probably not the right one, but it fit. Petcock ain't leaking, and it seems to be letting fuel in. Out of my daggone face. Don't go snitch to Henry. No choke, we'll try. What? No choke. Even got the idle set. Now these are notorious chokes. Ignore that. I can smell what that is, and I'll tell you what that is. Boom. You gotta do it, man. We'll clear out. You mark my words, it won't be smoking later on. Like and subscribe, XR200. Clean the carb and the petcock and the ultrasonic cleaner. What you know about that? Up, up, up. Well, we tried making some graphics for it. They ain't perfect, but we're happy with it. Starts easy. So, from sitting and not running to thumping again. Where'd that smoke go, boys?